Hi, I'm Andy Shaughnessy for Real Time with IPC. Here with me this afternoon is Jeff De Serrano from PCB Technologies. How's it going, Jeffrey?
Doing well. Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Thanks for being here. Good to see you again.
Right. You too.
It's been a while. Jeffrey is the president of North America for PCB Technologies. And you only started here at PCB Technologies a couple months ago, but you kind of hit the ground running. So.
Yes, we have. We hit the ground running. Started in September.
Mm-hmm.
It's been fast. I've been trying to get over to Israel, but with the stuff we got going on, it's been a little bit of a challenge. So, for everybody, right?
Yeah.
I do a lot of Teams meetings, though, early in the mornings because we got a little time difference. But It's been exciting times. The gentlemen over there, they want to do some better things in the U.S. And so, it kind of leads into what we're trying to do is do some acquisitions here, right? So that's what I've been doing for the last 3 months is interviewing people, owners of shops, trying to find the right fit.
And I understand you guys are looking into some pretty cool substrates and
yes, sir.
Good stuff.
Good thing you asked. So we've last June, before I came on board, we invested about $15.7 million in the factory in Israel.
Okay.
We're about a $140 million factory right now. With the $15 million investment, what we're doing is we're doing a system and package process.
Okay.
With the shortages of silicon and the stuff that everybody's going through, with the market coming back across the water to build the substrates, we then saw an opportunity that said, how are you going to put them together, right?
Right.
So we put that $15.7 million investment. We'll do organic substrates, multi-layers, miniaturization programs, packaging, microelectronics assembly. So we bought all the equipment to do that. Clean room environments going in, I think it's a class 100 clean room. And then also the packaging, which is the injection molding machines, right? So we'll take it from design, take your chip this big, make it this big, and double stack it with organic substrates instead of ceramics. Right? The goal then, once we're here in the United States and we have the quick turn operation set up, we want enough space to implement the same pod, so to speak, that's in Israel, in the U.S.
Yeah. Right. And it seems like good timing, too. I mean, you see chips moving back to America, but not a whole lot on the packaging side.
Right, so that's the thing that I hope we're all paying attention to is that because Intel and Samsung and Qorvo and Texas are going to build the wafers here, that's great.
Right.
But they got to be packaged. So what's going on now is they're going to build the wafers here and they're going to send them back across the water.
Right.
And they're going to be packaged across the water. So we see an opportunity, and even I think a lot of private equity money sees an opportunity in this little space. There's a lot of talk going on around in the industry with private equity money trying to figure out how to get in on some of this that's happening, right?
It seems like the Pentagon would be all in favor of this.
So I met with the DoD guys again today. This is my third time to meet with the DoD executive agents at printed circuit boards, and they are talking about it now finally. So the DoD is finally paying attention to not a green plastic thing, but actually a microelectronics environment which has a circuit board in it.
Right.
They spend a lot of money on ASICs, right? Custom ASICs, $9,000, $10,000, $20,000.
Right.
So I think it'd be a big market. And talking to them today, if we could put something there, they said within the next couple of years, they think the U.S. government's going to do a pretty significant investment in that area that we're talking about.
That's good. You see their roadmaps, and they're scared. They don't like what they see.
That's right. They are scared. What they have noticed is that the printed circuit board manufacturing world in the U.S. is consolidating. Right, people are buying other shops. We also are having, the smaller $5, $7, $10 million shops not staying in business. Equipment, capital investment's expensive. You buy an LDI, Overtech, or laser drill machine, or a small drill. You're spending $600,000, $700,000, $800,000, $900,000 on these things, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So we're going to try to capitalize on it.
And in the meantime, you can be doing flex and rigid flex.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we do rigid flex. We do flex with microvias in them and encapsulation of hard gold. It's only a 4-layer board, but it's a tough board because go ahead and sand a DuPont board and tell me how it comes out.
Right. Well, Flex is going crazy.
It likes to start. You know, if you can be a nice player in the rigid flex and flex area in the U.S., it's the market's there for it, right? And there's not a lot of people that can do them fast, right? And that's the key. If you can do good quality and you can do them fast and small batch stuff, I think you can have a successful business.
Yeah. All right. Well, it seems like you're going to have a really interesting first year.
I am. Yes,
Sounds like a little stressful, but a lot of fun too.
A little stressful, but fun, right? Yeah.
All right.
Just try to grow something new.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, best of luck and great meeting you. And
you too,
meeting you face to face.
All right. You too. Appreciate it. Thanks for the time today.
Thank you. Once again, I'm Andy Shaughnessy for Real Time with IPC. Thanks for watching.